Hey guys, another episode of Keith's Customs. We're going to be working on the Camaro again today. We're going to put that new headliner in. Got it right here. I got this from Eckler's, or Rick's Camaro. I've already got the areas cut out that I needed to in the back for the seat belts. I got to make one more cut here. But it seems like it's pretty nice. It's the ABS. ABS, and then the fabric is mounted right to the ABS. So, I'm gonna put this thing in here, see how she works. In my other video, you saw me take out the old one. So, that was, the pad was okay on that one yet. The material obviously wasn't. The glue had let go, but that's why I bought this new one. Just I didn't want to deal with the old pad. So let's get this in the car. All right? Another beautiful day in Wisconsin. It's not going to be tomorrow though. It's supposed to get cold. All right, so we're gonna put it in the back of the car here. Slide it through here, and then we'll get it in position and get it mounted up in there. Okay, so we slide in from the back. Try to get her in position here. All right. So, again, I'm a lone wolf on this project, but I think we'll get it done. Okay. Put it on the, set it on the rearview mirror, that'll help. Okay. And we'll slide our seatbelt through the opening. Both sides. And we'll tuck it underneath the sail panels. Kind of get it in place there. Don't forget your Phillips screwdriver. Woo! As always, you want to have all your tools ready. Have all your tools ready for the job. So you're not searching for stuff when you actually need it. You want to tighten them down too tight to begin with. There we go. Now I'll go work on the other side. Grab our screws. Grab our sun visor. tightened up. Whoa, 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 Nelly. Now the new top didn't come with clips on the ABS for the front. So what I did, was I used industrial strength 3M double-sided tape. There we go. Sun visor is mounted to hold the front. I've got my 3M tape it's got a stick yet. I got my dome light on with the two little nuts that push on there, push nuts go on there. So that's all set. Now I'm just gonna put the rear panel on here. I got the seatbelt trim pieces back on. They just snap in. And we'll put this top trim piece on, and then we'll put the sail panels on there. All right, let's get to it. Okay, I got this. This will hold our back piece, or back tight here to the roof. Sometimes you have to be careful. This plastic gets brittle after, you know, you figure 1984. So sometimes it gets a little brittle. So you just have to be gentle with it. And I tighten up the mirrors and everything is tight, so we can go ahead and snug these up. There we go. All right, I'll get the sail panels. Those get held on by that longer screw. So this longer screw will go in right here, the top of the sail panel, just down from the other panel we just put on. Go, and we'll put our hook on here. There we go. So that side's done, except for the A-pillar trim. We'll put on this other sail panel. Oh. Hold that up. There. We got that now. We'll try to get our hole lined up here. There you go, snug it up. There we go. All right. Ow, ow, ow. Want to get your finger caught up in there, guys? There we go. Last piece of trim on. Clip is already in there. And your screw. Okay. Liner per hole. Remember where we put our screwdriver? Which I don't. And there you have it, guys. Just got to replace our dome light cover. I got to get a new bulb because I broke the bulb when I was taking it out. But the headliner's in. It looks pretty good. A lot better than this old sagging one, that's for sure. Well, that'll do it for today. I'm gonna go home and have some supper. Call it a day. As always, have a good one.